Hello again, welcome to today's attempt of a connections game, 16 clues, and we have to divide them into 4 connected groups of 4. And again, we've got loads of long words and 2-word phrases. That really should make it easier. I mean, today they're even longer than they sometimes are. There's got to be fewer possible options for each one of them can mean. So that's why I say it should make it easier, but we'll see if it turns out that way today. We've got these 3. They're all small nibbles. I don't know what the 4th one would be, though. Of course, there's knuckle sandwich, but that's not actually food related. Whereas these 3 all are. Maybe tapper. I didn't think that's what tapper referred to, but it's none of the others, so I'm going to have to come back to that. And I'm probably going to have to put tapper in it. But anyway, what else? Licorice pizza. Don't know anything about that. Luggage. A nail gun. There's quite a few options here. I mean, a knuckle and a nail and a palm. Oh, it's just part of the hand then, isn't it? Oh, and a finger. So maybe finger food doesn't go with canapé and hors d'oeuvres. Interesting. I think it's got to be these 4, hasn't it? It's not even one away. Oh, no. Having said it was going to be easy, I've fallen into one of the red herrings. Oh, dear. Well, I mean, it makes sense, because I think it is going to be finger food with these 2. It's got to be tapper, just because it's none of the others. A little bite. Never heard of tapper in that context. I'm regretting not going for that before the other group, because obviously the other group turned out to be wrong. I think that does mean that palm tree, nail gun, and knuckle sandwich are probably going to be in different groups. That's what they tend to do. If they have a group of 4 that could go together, but it's not even one away, then they're probably all separate. What are we going to do instead? Johannesburger. I mean, that's just Johannesburg, but turned into a burger. That's copy-paste turned into copy-pasta. Maybe it's going to be these 4 then? They all end in foods? Things that you don't eat that end in foods. Yeah, okay. What about the last 2? Smiling face with sunglasses. That's clearly a cool emoji. That's what it's meant to be. A tool belt is where you might find, I suppose. Oh, is it just things that you'd use on a building site? That feels very plausible, doesn't it? It is. Construction equipment. Fair enough. It did turn out to be quite an easy one. I'm just annoyed I made that mistake at the start. They're all just to do with vacations. Yeah, okay, that makes sense. And as I said, the very first group that I did, those 4 did all end up in completely separate groups, as predicted. So I'm annoyed that it's not a perfect game today. Just that one slight mistake at the start. But it was relatively straightforward after that. That is the connections. Let me know how you got on. Thank you for watching, and bye for now.